2025 Genesis GV80 key fob. This is how you open it up, the remote to replace the battery. Okay, so turn the remote over. You'll see a little button that you have right here. We're going to push this button and we're going to pull off the key ring holder right here. Okay, this is going to unlock it just like that. Okay, so you see the little key ring holder. A lot of times this is a key. This remote here, it's not a key. So what this does is this gives you a place to put your screwdriver in. There's a little slot down here, and it gives you a place to actually split the remote open, so you're not sitting here prying out these cracks and tearing up your remote. You're going to do that inside of here. Stick it in here, give it a little twist. You can see how it cracked it open. All right, and where I'm prying is kind of hard to see, but it's right here. Okay, once you get it up, go ahead and take the back cover off, and you'll see the battery here. It just slides out. Just be careful. Don't scratch up the board. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2450 positive sign, facing out towards us. When you get your new battery, you just slide it in just like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link, takes you to Amazon where you can get one. Then you just get your cover and make sure everything's lined up, and start at the top and work your way down and just snap this guy back together. Then you put the little key ring adapter back in, and you are all done.